This illustration deals with rating in accordance with 625.42, items 1 through 3. And the purpose of change was to provide a revision. And this revision makes it very clear that AC-rated electrical vehicle supply equipment, ESVE abbreviated, products are pass-through devices with the output and input current ratings correlated. These EVSE systems may be provided with an adjustable mean that limits the output of the EVSE to the vehicle and thereby limits the current draw as well in order to reduce hardships on the user and promote the use of EVSE. These adjustment means allow for the product to be adjusted at the time of installation in order to limit the output of the EVSE to match the branch circuit sizing. This reduces the need to rewire the user's connection in order to utilize the EVSE. However, this only works when the user cannot access the adjustment means. Therefore, restricted means is required. Additionally, this adjustment rating must be indicated so that the authority having jurisdiction understands how the product is being installed. Now, I would like to review first your receptacles. So let's take a look at the left-hand side of the drawing at the top, and you have your power source there. Notice receptacles in wet locations shall have weatherproof protection as outlined in 625.56. And if we cross over to the first illustration showing the car and the charger, then notice for equipment connection, electrical vehicle power transfer system, you have to follow the requirements of 625.44. And basically, section 625.44 does recognize 250 volt receptacles, as well as, maybe DC, low voltage type, low energy type power charging source, a power source. Now, next I would like to review with you the notes. And note 1 says restricted access shall prevent the user from gaining access to the adjustment means per 625.42. So only this kind of indicates only a qualified person should be, messing with these adjustment type means. Note 2 of restricted access should be accomplished by at least one of the following. 1, a cover or door that requires the use of a tool to open such door. 2, locked doors accessible only to qualified personnel. And then notice 3, password, protected commission software accessible only to qualified persons per 625.42, 1 through 3. Excuse me. Now, notice the restricted access has to be accomplished by at least one of the following. And I would kind of just like to remind the user that's looking at this section to review UL 2202 and UL 2594 as per Article 625, Part 2 calls for.